got a quick unboxing video for you guys. So this is, I think, kind of a variety pack of material from Jeff Head from Georgia. And Jeff is a stellar dude. If you're gonna order rock from anybody, and he's one of the few that will really take good care of you. As you'll see how this is packaged. This thing's been bouncing around the mail for, oh gosh, 2.5 weeks. We're not sure what exactly happened with it. I started tracking it a few days ago, and about a week ago, and it kind of went from Indianapolis to Cincinnati. I don't know where all it went, but it wasn't anything to do with Jeff, the sender. It was just the Postal Service. I was out of town. It showed up when I was gone, and part of the reason I came home early. I knew I had this sitting here waiting on me. Oh my gosh, yeah. I actually did some trading with Jeff for this stuff, and you guys can find Jeff on Facebook. I'm sure most of you already know. If you follow me very long at all, I like to really talk up Jeff Head a lot. He's a really good guy, as do a lot of other people. He's got some really good, awesome material. Man, look. You outdid yourself here, Jeff. Golly. I sure hope you like your banner stone and that box of hornstone I sent you, Jeff. I don't know if it was worth all this or not. This is awesome. Oh boy, I see a big piece of Georgia Jasper down in there. Look at that Flint River. Look at that tab, guys. I made Jeff a butterfly banner stone, and I put him together a box of hornstone for this. A medium box of hornstone. Man, this is some nice stuff. I'm definitely gonna get down there and visit with you, Jeff. I just this go round, I had that spot in Kentucky there, and it kind of didn't really pan out for me, but I plan on doing a lot more rock trips here soon, so maybe I can get down and do a little rock hunting with you. I'd love to get some of that soapstone you was telling me about. Man, this is beautiful pieces. My goodness. I am going to be able to make some great stuff out of this. Holy guacamole. Look at that, y'all. Dang gone. He has got some awesome stuff. Awesome material, second to none. I don't know anybody else that even sells Flint River, really, or this Georgia Jasper. This is what I'm really anxious to get into. I've napped quite a bit of the Flint River and the chocolate swirl, he calls it. It's all a variety of coastal plains chert, I believe. But the Jasper is actually a Jasper. And it gets this crazy blue cortex on it, this gray blue. It just looks like a creek rock. Look at that. Just looks like a piece of bedrock, really. I hope I've been in frame. Yeah, this looks kind of like a piece of bedrock laying there. And this stuff is, I already know, it's going to be beautiful yellow and golden inside. What an awesome piece. Thanks, Jeff. I am blown away, my friend. This is awesome. I don't know how you fit all that rock in this box. He's like, I hope it ain't because put so much weight in the box and they can't pick it up. He said he had over 50 pounds in here. He had it strategically packaged, I'll tell you what. Wow, look at that piece. Ain't that cool? Look at the cortex and the patina on that. Looks like a patina is real dark brown and black. Jet black. That's cool. That could be like a creek stain too, I guess. River staining from the tannic acids. Check it out though. This is like looks like fossils or coral or something in that cortex. There, can you guys see that? Let's roll the whole thing up. Keep me having to bend over. There's a piece of that Jasper. You can kind of see what the inside, well, there you can see it in right here. Really cool stuff. Looks like this one might have got some heat treatment. This stuff turns that real dark burgundy red when you heat treat it. So, but it doesn't take a whole lot of heat. I know the Flint River doesn't. I think the Jasper is kind of about the same. You know, 300 degrees, 350. You can go up around to 390 or 80, 90. So I think keep it below 400 would be my recommendation. Pretty cool. Yeah, because it gets pretty brittle once you get up over 400. So, man, that's a killer chunk of Jasper there. Thanks again, Jeff. Hope you all enjoyed it. You guys know there'll be lots of cool stuff coming out of this stuff. I want to try to make some larger pieces. Look at all these bifaces, my goodness. All right, thanks, Jeff. You rock, brother. We'll see y'all next time. Give Jeff Head a shout. He'll hook you up.